Once we prepared everything for installing the shingles, we start with applying starter. We start to install full shingles. Each shingle comes 3 feet and you need to put 5 to 6 nails. It should be 1 inch and 1/4 nails. And after that, next shingle should be 6 inch smaller than previous one. And one thing that I want to mention, when you put the nail, there is a line, so you always have to be sure where you nail it, because if it is below that, that's the potential leaking spot. That's not the proper way. So here we're done with the shingling, and after that, if there is a ridge vent, we put the ridge vent, and after that we can install the caps. And now in this model there's no ridge vent, so that's why we're gonna just apply the caps. So, as you see that, you're finishing with the installing the caps, and that's the last step. And after that, what we need to do, we need to just clean up with the magnet, because even we put the tarp, but you can find the females. So we use a magnet to clean up perfectly. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching our video, and please subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, comment below. I would like to answer that in my next video. Thank you.
Thank you.